Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm meeting humans disputing theories of evolution. I tell them circular revolutions that made us human. We're consuming. Looking around, I find doom in the path that we choosing in. Yeah, check, yeah. Mother Earth's being used and abused. I don't believe in the heavens, but I often see the clues. You can choose what you wanna think and how you wanna feel. Conversations like sensations and keeping it real. I'm like a Buddhist trying to find my awareness, but I can't stay balanced cause I'm careless. I've been to rehab but never had a therapist. Most Americans addicted to that Merrill Lynch. Life is complicated, I live it fairly simple. See the circle of the sun out an airplane window.